In primetime news this evening, local COVID-19 count tops 600. More Jamaicans are home through the Jam COVID repatriation program. They share their stories. And are asymptomatic COVID-19 patients contagious? WHO has new stance as that debate continues. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on Jamaica holding general and local government elections on the same day?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.